is the Hammerskin Nation, and why did they use music to spread hate?
The Hammerskin Nation began in 1988, born from the skinhead scene. Unlike the Klan's white robes or the Proud Boys polo shirts, their uniform was music. White power rock concerts became recruiting grounds. The lyrics preached supremacy, and their concerts turned into rallies. From there, chapters spread across the United States, and then into Europe and Australia. The network tied young fans into a global movement, with bands fueling loyalty and profit. Fights in city streets, graffiti, and propaganda followed wherever the Hammerskins played. It showed that hate does not always come wrapped in politics. Sometimes it hides in culture, rhythm, and noise.
Who was the Atomwaffen Division, and why did it spread fear?
In the mid-2000s, a group of young extremists built a network called Atomwaffen Division. Later, it rebranded as the National Socialist Order. This group was not about public marches or passing out flyers. They built small secret cells, they trained in camps, and shared violent propaganda online. Their message was clear: bring down the government through chaos. Members planned attacks, stored weapons, and praised Hitler as their model. Law enforcement arrested several members connected to real-world plots. Among them was Brandon Russell, founder of Atomwaffen Division, who conspired to attack the Baltimore power grid. Another member, Caleb Cole, organized threats against journalists and civil rights activists across multiple states. Atomwaffen showed how quickly online hate can turn into action. If white supremacy is the greatest domestic threat, why does this crisis keep going on with no real action?
Today, no one really knows how many extremists live in America. Experts estimate the number could be as high as 40% of the country. Roughly 134 million people, or 1 out of every 3 Americans. The danger is not only the ones waving flags in the street, but it is the people who quietly fund them, excuse them, or sit in silence while it spreads. In 2023, the Department of Justice and the FBI named white supremacist extremists the greatest domestic threat to this country. And the evidence is all around us.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.